Greetings and welcome to pezliz Presents. 'Tis the season. Season for what? For getting your MakerChips ready for the next event. So you may ask, what is a MakerChip? What is a MakerChip? Does anyone know? The Japan RepRap Festival actually just posted a really cool website sharing what a MakerChip is. So let's take a look at what the Japan RepRap Festival says a MakerChip is. They say that a MakerChip is customizable tokens for 3D printing enthusiasts. A MakerChip is a customizable token that serves as a creative outlet for personalization and a practical tool for advertising and showcasing your 3D printing capabilities. I think that sounds about right. So of course, with a MakerChip, it is fully customizable. You are able to showcase your making skills in the palm of your hand and exchange MakerChips with other makers at events and enjoy collecting. So the Japan RepRap Festival has it down pat right here. With a MakerChip, you want it to be a diameter of 40 millimeters and maximum 3.5 millimeter thickness for your MakerChip. So it fits all the different accessories and things. And of course, when you bring your MakerChip to events and exchange them with other people, you get to learn about other people, open up conversations, and have lots of fun. Now, not only are you able to design your own MakerChip and collect your own MakerChip, you can view the MakerChip catalog and perhaps get inspired using MakerChip.app. And this is a project by our friend TechJeeper. Also, of course, along with K2 Kevin, consultation with K2 Kevin, the architect of the MakerChip. And you can have a look at all the different MakerChips that are out there where people have submitted their chips to the website. If yours is not there, you can submit your MakerChip to the website as well and be inspired and of course inspire others. Now, how do I make a MakerChip? There's a couple different ways, but of course the architect of the MakerChip is our friend K2 Kevin. And Kevin has everything set up here on MakerWorld. So not only does he have some templates, but he has full instructions, including a YouTube video that he did with me as a imprinting color episode. But all kinds of tips and tricks are here. There's also MakerChip Maker by our friend Layer by Layer, also available on MakerWorld. And then there's all sorts of accessories for MakerChips as well. And other people have shared their designs, so you can take a look and also be inspired by them, or perhaps print theirs or print their accessories. Absolutely awesome. We even have Girl on the Rocks, a 2-part MakerChip that you can assemble. And of course, like I said, all sorts of accessories and fun, but believe it or not, MakerChip season is here. You have less than 100 days for the next event, which is Rocky Mountain RepRap Festival. Actually, before that is the Japan RepRap Festival. And even before that is the Sanjay Mortimer RepRap Festival. So no matter where you are, it is MakerChip season right now. There is a Layer by Layer MakerChip Maker. I will have links to all of these in the YouTube description, of course. And like I said, there are lots of accessories for MakerChips. One of my favorites is available on printables by Geek Toy Box. And this is the MakerChip Pop Badge clip. So you actually are able to snap your MakerChip into fabric and keep that on. So absolutely awesome. But now is the time to start printing. And on a future imprinting color or pezliz Presents, I'll have to decide depending on if I have a guest. We're going to be talking about MakerChips, and I will be designing my 2026 MakerChip. Now, in the past, I have tried to keep my MakerChip the same for the entire year, and that is also the present plan. So if we take a look here, this was my MakerChip for 2025. We have some silk periwinkle. We have, here, I'll put it up even closer. As you can see, it's nice and shiny there. We have some silk periwinkle, some neon magenta, some lime green, and galaxy dark blue. You can see all kinds of Friends MakerChips on here too. This year, I am definitely going to be changing up some things, including the base color. And the color I really want to highlight for this year's MakerChip is Starlight Pulsar. I absolutely adore this filament, and I want the starlights to be featured as much as possible in my MakerChip this year. So now is the time for you to start taking a look at of course the filaments you want to use, the designs you want to use, the build plates you want to use, and the techniques, perfecting everything. And also in the Polymaker Discord, discord.polymaker.com, K2 Kevin will be resuming his MakerChip application stage with some awesome lessons. Now, you may ask, how many MakerChips do I actually need for these events? For an event like Rocky Mountain RepRap Festival, I'm going to say a number that is going to surprise you. But last year, for Rocky Mountain RepRap Festival, I went through over 400 chips on the first day. So I will be printing for myself probably 1,000 MakerChips for Rocky Mountain RepRap Festival. Now, I will have a table, and people will be coming to my table. If you're someone that's going to be roaming around, I would have at least 500 MakerChips. So start printing now, get yourself ready. And also, as mentioned, those MakerChip accessories are super, super useful. So when it comes to MakerChip accessories, the one that I highly recommend as an accessory is at least one of these carrying holders. And the MakerChip collector capsule by K2 Kevin is definitely one that you can print to collect MakerChips as you go along. But also now is a time, if you want to design, to start designing something fun where you might be able to creatively display MakerChips and collect them as well. Last year at the 3D Printopia, there was someone that actually had something similar to this MakerChip matrix sewn to the outside of their bag, their tote bag. They had this as an insert in a tote bag. So the only limitations are your own creativity, and of course sticking to the same size as a MakerChip to make it make sense. But get printing your MakerChips. Stay tuned for more episodes where we're going to be talking about MakerChips and designing MakerChips and helping people with theirs. And happy printing.